understand. That's making me have done. Because it has lagi that waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Rahang met and they were very happy. All people were baptized at church to build for Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited Mactan to Christianize them everyone, at Lapu-Lapu met him only sure, and got Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, order his men to camouflage. Mactan Island, they could not drown, 'cause Lapu-Lapu, it's